Windows are one of the most important elements of your home. Not only do they provide natural light, ventilation, and a view of the outdoors, but they also contribute to your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and security. Over time, however, windows can deteriorate due to wear and tear, weather exposure, and age. If you live in Clearwater, where the climate can be both hot and humid, your windows may be more susceptible to damage. Knowing when it's time to replace your windows can help you avoid higher energy bills, maintain comfort, and keep your home secure. In this article, we'll walk you through the top signs that it's time to replace your windows in your Clearwater home. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts. If you notice a sudden change in temperature near your windows or feel cold air seeping in during the winter or hot air entering during the summer, it's a clear indication that your windows are no longer insulating your home properly. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, are less effective at blocking the heat and cold compared to modern double-pane or triple-pane windows. Over time, seals around the windows can wear out, allowing air to leak through. This makes your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, which leads to higher energy bills. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options can drastically improve your home's insulation, helping to keep your indoor temperature stable and reduce your monthly energy costs. Condensation between the glass panes. If you notice condensation or fog between the glass panes of your windows, it's an indication that the seal around the window has failed. This issue typically occurs with double-pane or triple-pane windows, where the sealant designed to keep moisture out has deteriorated. When condensation forms between the panes, it not only obscures your view but also indicates that the window is no longer providing proper insulation. Moisture buildup can lead to mold or mildew growth, which can affect the air quality in your home. It's best to replace these windows to restore clarity and prevent further damage. Difficulty opening or closing the windows. Windows should be easy to open, close, and lock. If your windows are sticking, becoming harder to operate, or don't lock securely, it's a sign that the frames are warping or the hardware is malfunctioning. Warped or damaged frames can cause the window to misalign, preventing it from closing properly and compromising your home's security. In Clearwater, where humidity levels can be high, wooden frames are especially prone to warping and swelling, making it difficult to operate the window. If you're unable to properly open, close, or secure your windows, it's time to replace them to ensure that they function smoothly and safely. Visible damage to the frames or glass. If your windows have visible cracks, chips, or dings, it's an indication that they are no longer structurally sound. Damaged windows, especially those with cracked or broken glass, can compromise your home's security and energy efficiency. Broken glass is a safety hazard, as it can shatter or break further. Additionally, the window frames can deteriorate over time. Wooden frames may rot due to exposure to moisture, while vinyl or aluminum frames can become brittle and crack under harsh weather conditions. If you notice any significant damage to the window itself or the frame, replacing the window is necessary to protect the integrity of your home. Higher energy bills. If your energy bills have been steadily increasing, your old windows could be the culprit. Windows play a significant role in the overall energy efficiency of your home. Poorly insulated windows allow heat to escape during the winter and let warm air enter during the summer, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings, insulated frames, and double or triple glazing can improve the overall energy performance of your home. These windows help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, ultimately reducing your energy consumption and saving you money. Increased outside noise. If you live in a noisy area or near a busy street, you may notice that outside sounds are becoming more intrusive. Older windows, especially those with single panes, offer little resistance to sound. Noise can easily pass through the glass, disrupting your peace and quiet at home. Replacing your windows with soundproofing windows or double-pane windows can drastically reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. The additional layer of glass and air or gas between the panes helps absorb and block sound, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Your windows are outdated or don't match your home's style. Windows can significantly impact the aesthetic appeal of your home. If your windows are outdated, chipped, or no longer match your home's style, replacing them can give your home a fresh, updated look. Modern window designs come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials that can complement any home's exterior, whether traditional, contemporary, or somewhere in between. Installing new windows can not only improve the appearance of your home but also increase its curb appeal and market value. If you're thinking of selling your home, updated windows can be a major selling point. Conclusion: it's time to replace your windows in Clearwater. Your windows play a critical role in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your Clearwater home. If you've noticed any of the signs listed above, such as drafts, condensation, difficulty operating the windows, or higher energy bills, it's likely time to consider window replacement. Upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows can save you money, increase your home's value, and improve your overall living experience. By investing in new windows, you not only enhance your home's functionality and appearance but also protect your home from the elements. Reach out to a professional window installation company to help you select the right windows for your needs and enjoy the many benefits of a more efficient, comfortable, and beautiful home.